To buy an Amazon gift card with Cash App, you will need to have the Cash App and an Amazon account. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping the Cash Card tab. Next, scroll down to the Rewards and Offers section and click on the Get Rewards button. Browse through the available offers and look for the Amazon gift card option. Select the Amazon gift card and choose the denomination you want to purchase. Review the terms and conditions of the purchase and confirm that you want to buy the gift card. The cost of the gift card will be deducted from your Cash App balance. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive the Amazon gift card code in the Cash App. To use the gift card, go to Amazon and sign into your account. Click on the Account and Lists tab and select Gift Cards. Click on Redeem a gift card and enter the gift card code. Click Apply to add the gift card balance to your Amazon account. You can now use the gift card balance to make purchases on Amazon. It is essential to note that Cash App may have certain limitations and fees associated with buying Amazon gift cards, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before making a purchase. Additionally, make sure to only purchase gift cards from authorized sellers to avoid any potential scams. By following these steps, you can easily buy an Amazon gift card with Cash App and start shopping on Amazon.